Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to reset Windows Defender antivirus in Windows 11. First method is reset and repair Windows security. Second method is run PowerShell command. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.